Mihang'o ya woyani wa arutwo aria maraingira kirathi gia Form 1 iratanyitwo gutirihwo muthenya wa ira kuria no gicunji kia 90% kia arutwo aria mekire kigeranio mweri-ini wa gatatu mararikitie kwandikithio thukuru-ini itiganite. Niguo gukinyaniria gicunji kia 100% kia woyani uyu, Ministry ya Githomo ni yongereire ihinda ria kiumia kimwe kuri aciari aria matanahota gutwara ciana thukuru-ini kuria maretitwo hamwe na aria maraikitie mahoya ma gucenjia thukuru. Ndumiriri-ini irerekereirio ni Ministry ya Githomo oho ikiuria arutani anene a mathukuru kuyukia arutwo ona aria matari na mbeca cia marihi ma thukuru no maiguithanirie na aciari uria mbeca ici ikurihwo. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa Jamhuri muthenya wa ira, mutafariri wa mihang'o Ministry-ini ya Githomo Sarah Ruto augite gukinyiria hwa-ini wa muthenya wa ira arutwo aingi aria metitwo thukuru-ini cia gukoma ni marandikithitio ukiringithania na aria maraingira thukuru-ini cia kuinuka o muthenya.
Unfortunately, there is a very sluggish reporting, especially in day secondary schools. And we imagine that perhaps parents are still hoping for boarding schools. I think many feel that the schools of repute are just boarding schools. But we also know of very many day schools that are doing very well.
Thirikari iri na matanya ma kwambika mugururio wa nyumba kwa nyumba ta miaka ya hau kabere gutigirira gutire murutwo ona umwe watigiriro.
So we would like to encourage parents and guardians to support the students to take up their places in the various schools that they have been called to.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugina, Wawaduro.